So Blake, let's talk a little bit more about their diet in detail. I was watching them earlier. They're just munching down on this on these oats that are growing out here. What else do they get in addition to the pasture?
In addition to the pasture they already have, they're also supplemented with some non-GMO corn and soybean, along with some oats.
Okay.
So, and that's put out free choice.
Right. So because unlike cattle, pigs do not have ruminant stomachs, that four-chambered stomachs, so they do not thrive well just on forage. So they definitely, and just like in the wild, they're going to be eating nuts that fall from the trees and some grains. So, and that's the same for chickens too, right?
Right, correct. Yeah.
Yep. So cattle, when they eat grain, they become immediately unhealthy.
Yep.
And it's pretty taxing to their system. So it's a little different out here with the hogs. So Blake, you just mentioned that we don't feed any of our animals any GMOs. Explain what is a GMO? A lot of people are confused about that.
It stands for genetically modified organisms, and in simple terms, what they're doing is they're changing the structure of the plant to be able to withstand glyphosate, which is a herbicide.
And they're actually doing that by injecting genes from other species into, for example, the corn seed, for example. So it's not hybrid breeding of plants.
No.
It's actually altering the gene structure and injecting genes from other species. So, and that was introduced by originally Monsanto. And it was kind of a crafty way for them to sell a lot more herbicide because since the introduction of GMOs, I know that glyphosate, which was typically sold as Roundup, over 1.8 million tons have been applied since its introduction of that specific chemical in crop production. So that's obviously why it's a very potent product or chemical, and we don't want in any of our obviously any of our feed stuff here.
Yep.
All right, hey Blake, thanks a lot for giving us a tour here today. And this is basically a great option for somebody looking for healthy, clean, and ethically raised pork products. And obviously they're raised in a way that really complements the entire ecosystem here at Seven Sons. So sure appreciate your time and your effort here.
Yep, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, scroll down and write them in there, and we'd love to get back with you. Either Blaine will get back with you or I will myself.
Okay, all right, folks. Look forward to the next video.